Hello everyone, welcome to Insights into Your Being. In my previous video, I had shared a few simple tips that will help you sit in meditation and let it happen with total ease. Today, we are going to continue and sit in the meditation together. Before we begin, I would request you to like the video now itself, because as we proceed, you may dive deep into meditation and chances are you may forget about it. Friends, you all liking this video will be very helpful for me, as because of that, this video will appear in front of many other people who may be looking for something like this. Do subscribe my channel for the same reason, and let that be your contribution to the world. Let us begin. Sit upright in a comfortable position, preferably with a cushion below and legs crossed, resting on the floor so that the spine automatically remains straight. Breathe in and out slowly, watching your breath. Listen to the breath. You are watching the breath. You are listening to the breath. Now, repeat a mantra as you breathe in, and repeat a mantra as you breathe out. You are watching, listening, and repeating a mantra. Now, listen to the breath repeating the mantra. You are a witness, and the breath is repeating the mantra. Now, picture your aspect of God seated in the cave of your heart. He is alive. He is vital, vibrating with love, power, understanding, peace, and beauty. Kneel at his feet and feel his hands upon your head, blessing you. As you kneel there, feel the glorious vibration of love surge through your entire being, through your body, into your arms and legs, into your brain. God is in your very fingertips. God is your very soul. Love, power, joy, understanding, peace, and beauty fills your being. Now, see the cosmic vibration filter out over a troubled world in the form of a golden mist, like oil being poured on troubled water. See the golden beams merging into the sick and the suffering, the downcast and the weary. Pour it out in an endless stream of love and compassion. Pour it out. Pour it out. Turn again to your divine presence and once more feel his hands resting on your bowed head. Speak to him. Surrender your life to Him. Surrender your all to Him. Surrender. Just surrender. Slowly feel the merging taking place. Your entire being merges into Him and silence takes over the soul. Silence, pure silence. Be still and know that I am consciousness. Silence is speaking to me. This silence will set me free. This silence will set me free. Be still. Just be still. Be still and rest in this silence for as long as you can, for 5 minutes, 10 or 15. Let us chant Om together. Take a deep breath in. Peace and goodwill must begin with me. Peace and goodwill I must always be. Peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. Peace and goodwill must begin with me. You may now open your eyes gently and relax. Regular practice of this meditation will help you dive deep into the layers of consciousness. Thank you so much for listening. Do share this video with people you feel may benefit, with people you love. Love yourself. Om Shanti.